Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: an active Quark VPN account, payment or trial access, and the correct installer for your device. Once done, sign into the Quark app using the email and password you created and allow any permissions the installer requests. Make sure to enable automatic updates so you get security fixes. If you have multiple devices, install Quark now on the phone and laptop before moving on, because simultaneous device setup saves time. Next, configure the connection so it fits your goals. Choose WireGuard for speed or OpenVPN for broader compatibility, and pick a server location, closest for latency, specific country for content access. Once set, toggle the kill switch and DNS leak protection to prevent accidental exposure. These are critical for security. If you need only certain apps routed through VPN, set up split tunneling. Finally, tap Connect and watch the status indicator change. A successful connection shows your new virtual IP and secure tunnel. To finish, verify the VPN is working. Check your IP on an IP checker and run a DNS leak test to confirm all traffic is tunneled. If something fails, switch protocols or try a different server. Sometimes congestion causes issues. Use obfuscated mode if connections are blocked by a network or country. That often resolves deep packet inspection problems. If you still have issues, collect app logs and contact Quark support, and make sure your subscription and device time settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.